Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a beautiful runner rug for my entryway. It is going to fit down this whole hallway. I love these for the entryways. First of all, they are so incredibly soft. The entire back is non-slip and the edges on this are beautifully finished. But the best part about these is that they are so easy to clean. You can put this in the washing machine, you can use your vacuum, and you can just use a towel to wipe things up if it gets wet from rain or snow from boots. So let's put this down, take some close-up looks, and see how easy it is to clean. This Nestiva rug is so nice. You are definitely going to want to put several of these in your cart. They are great for entryways, but they are also great for kitchens and bathrooms because they are so easy to clean. Crumbs come right up with a vacuum. You can spill an entire glass of water on here. You can see how this beads, and then you just wipe it right up. It's so gorgeous. That is the best part of this Nestiva rug. Look at the details. The colors on this are gorgeous. Completely non-slip. Just love how elegant this looks. It just really adds such a touch of class to my hallway and entryway, and it keeps everything clean. If this gets dirty, I don't care because I can vacuum it, I can wipe things up with the towel, or I can roll it up like this with one hand and then take it and pop it into the washer, and it comes out looking like new. You are going to love this Nestiva rug. I know you are. Get it. You will not regret it.